Today I will tell you about transport in human. What is transport? Let's know first about it. Transport is the means by which something are carried from one place to another place. In human, blood is the means of transport that carries digested food, waste, hormones, antibody, clotting factors, drugs, and medicines from one part of the body to all other parts of the body. Blood cannot move by its own. And that is why blood needs a special structure that will enable the blood to move either to a short distance or to a long distance. The structure which enables the blood to move either to a short distance or to a long distance is called pumping organ, and the pumping organ of our body is heart. Blood doesn't know where it will have to go, and for this blood needs another structure through which blood will go from heart to all the parts of the body and will then come from all the parts of the body back to heart. And the structure through which blood moves from heart to all the parts of the body and then will come back from all the parts of the body to heart is blood vessel. The system of heart, blood vessel and blood is called transport system. In human, in place of term transport system, either circulatory system or cardiovascular system term has been used. Circulatory system or cardiovascular system is the system of heart, blood vessel and blood. Today I will tell you about blood only. As I have told just now that blood is the means of transport in human. Our blood is made up of two types of components, namely matrix and formed elements. Matrix is the liquid part of the blood and is named plasma, whereas formed elements are the solid part of the blood and are named blood corpuscles. Let's know about plasma first. Plasma constitute 55% of the blood composition. Plasma is a straw-colored viscous liquid made up of 90 to 92% water, 5 to 7% protein, 0.9% organic and 0.9% inorganic and 0.1% organic. In plasma, 3 types of plasma protein are present, which are named as fibrinogen, globulin and albumin. Fibrinogen is such a protein which takes part in blood clotting. Globulin is such a protein which acts as antibody providing immunity to our body against antigens. Albumin is such a type of protein which provides colloidal osmotic potential to the blood so that blood will able to adjust its composition, means will adjust the composition of plasma. Now come on blood corpuscles. RBC, WBC and platelets are called blood corpuscles. RBC. The average lifespan of RBC is 100 to 120 days. Average lifespan of WBC is 5 to 21 days. And average lifespan of platelets is 3 to 5 days. RBC is biconcave disc shaped. WBC is amoeboid shaped and platelets is biconvex shaped. Human RBC doesn't have nucleus at maturity. WBC has nucleus at maturity. Platelets doesn't have nucleus. The average size of RBC is 2 to 3 micrometer. Average size of WBC is 12 to 15 micrometer. And the average size of platelets is 6 to 8 micrometer. The number of RBC in per cubic millimeter of blood is 5 to 5.5 millions. The number of WBC in per cubic millimeter of blood is 6,000 to 8,000, and the number of platelets in per cubic millimeter of blood is 1,50,000 to 3,50,000. The function of RB is to transport respiratory gases. The function of WBC is to provide immunity to our body, and the function of platelets is to involve in blood clotting. I mean to say, the function of blood is to activate blood clotting mechanism, so that blood clotting can be initiated at the site of cut or injury. Blood corpuscles constitute only 45% of the blood composition. In the next lecture video, I will tell you about blood vessel. Thanks now.